PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Why loop high and deep? At this moment, I will explain to our athletes. Loop towards the net space. At this point, don't worry about hitting the net. Just focus on keeping it in play. Why did he loop it high and deep? It has strong topspin. Now, at this moment, you should loop the ball in the normal way, creating an arc line and pressing the arc line. What should you do then? In these unconventional spins, loop directly towards the net space with topspin. Instead, you'll be in a good position. You'll definitely hit it out. Should you give it a try? It's about looping downhill in the early stages. Normally, you'll definitely hit it out because I am applying strong. So where should you loop towards? I just mentioned towards the net, right? Still not enough. Why? You're just covering the ball. There's not enough friction. What does wiping the ball mean? Is wiping the ball about friction or impact? Yes, but right now, it's about the impact, right? Too much impact. The direction of your force is correct. Impact or dealing with the spin. All right. Pull straight, pull diagonally. Actually, it depends on the direction of the index finger. Straight, right? Straight, right? Straight, right? I'll bring in a bit more diagonal here. Pull straight. Point a bit more outward. Bring in a bit more. Is it obvious? The slight adjustment of the index finger determines the change in trajectory. Why is table tennis an extension of a straight line? A hair's breadth off changes everything. So, the slight, subtle differences in the direction of the index finger result in trajectory changes. Feel it straight. Regarding straight and diagonal, have you felt the sensation of the index finger's direction? Turn more towards the diagonal. Send more towards straight, right? Sending more towards straight. Did you feel like he pushed the ball out? It's obvious that the racket angle is too intense. There's too much of this happening. It's like you're storing energy here. While I store energy here, I relax here. Do you think I pushed the ball out with my shot? I have vertical power. It's not non-existent. Isn't it just forward power? But did I counter his shot? When it's about to hit, what do? It spins outward, you see? And what about you? He can only loop like this. There's no way to completely restrict it. You can only do this. Rely on your skilled hand to bring it to the table. If the ball slightly changes, you can't adjust. You can only block it firmly. Hit right on the table edge. See, you watch me. All the adjustments are here. I use my abdomen to generate power, right? Can you feel it? Finally, it's pushed out, right? This is better. This is good. Don't be afraid of going. Yes, use your thumb to guide the back of your hand. Get closer to the ball. When you see the ball, reach in and touch the ball. It's difficult for you to control it, right? It's not because you didn't touch the ball correctly. Look at how far the ball is from you. Brush it again. When I see the ball, I move away and brush it. What are you doing? Touch the ball and brush it. See the ball and move away. Do you see it clearly? It's also possible to use your wrist. That's right. Now you try it. See the ball and use your wrist. So when I say the ball is coming, I need to brush the ball on the back. But you are reaching out for the ball now. You're touching the ball. The key difference is here. Oh, you reach for the ball again. Haha, you disconnected. You need to practice this well. Don't add extra drama with your relax and follow through, okay? Is your stomach pushing your hand out? Only start using force with your hand. Were you focusing your power on the racket handle before? Store up power like this. Right, when I swing the racket, I'm only storing power in my stomach. It's like a straight line, right? Just slightly extend outward, and you're in this position. Understand? So when you step out, you have to move like you can't help it, right? It's as simple as that. Good. Go for a strong push in the early stage. Check if it feels natural or not. Nice hanging shot there. Complete the motion. Be a little bolder. It's okay. Dare to wait, and wait well. You move the power on your hand to the front, right? Okay. That's the ball inside your body. Look, he's getting more proficient. First, you need to get him oriented. Right, I think effort is about pushing yourself. Only then does that effort have meaning. If you start off wrong, you veer off course. The harder you try, the further you are from your destination. Of course, you'll eventually get there, because the earth is round. So you'll reach your destination after a long journey. Keep walking. Just a little further. That's why we say, we want to guide children to take fewer detours. Detours can still lead you to your destination. Go around the earth. Hey, you always feel like the table is in front of you. You're always putting in so much effort. I have to put in effort towards the other side. Look, isn't it straight? Push forward. Okay, don't think like that. Where do you think you should put in effort? Put in effort towards your body. Because you're on the outside. If you aim inside, it's actually forward. Moving forward is actually pushing out. You're exerting force from the outside to the inside. This is called exerting force from the outside to the inside. You're reaching out and then pushing forward. Is it straight? Yeah. You're reaching out and then pushing. Isn't that straight now? Then turn inside from the outside. Turn inside from the outside. Wow. Turn inside from the outside. See, that feeling. Instead of pushing forward. Relax, 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 relax. When you're looping, why do Chinese rubbers or tacky rubbers have a higher friction coefficient? So, even though they both involve leaning forward, the angle should be like this for a forehand rubber. Make sure to stand up slightly. This angle is enough for a backhand rubber. Look at the forehand rubber. Actually, I still have a little. It's just that my forward lean angle isn't as big. It's more upright, right? Look at the forehand rubber. Isn't the forward lean angle of the forehand rubber greater than that of the backhand rubber? It's the same for this too. It's still a loop. Why does a quick loop with a tacky rubber dry faster than a backhand rubber? The blade needs to be brighter for a backhand rubber. Is that enough for the tacky rubber? Is it brighter than the backhand rubber as well? Whether it's a forehand rubber or a tacky rubber, the overall movement should have a smaller compared to a backhand loop. Because if the amplitude is large, it will be less precise and more likely to slip.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.